Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful videos of crochet flowers designs. Crochet flower designs are used in different patterns. Different designs keep more attractive, keep more stunning. Are fabulous videos. Good looking designs. It's amazing, are depending on your choice. Our basic videos and different patterns, different designs give more attractive, give more stunning videos. I'm waiting for these comments for related crochet flowers videos and different things, different designs and good looking videos. So elegant, so gorgeous, just looking like a fantastic videos, fantastic designs and different things, different designs keep more fabulous, keep more amazing videos and different things, different designs, ideas of flowers are using different things for all our crochet things and newest videos, newest designs I have shared with you. I want to share a very beautiful designs and different things, different designs in attractive designs of good looking videos are different things, different ideas. It's newest videos keep attracting, keep sharing and just looking like a fantastic videos and all our girls are using different pattern, different stylish videos and more creative videos, designs or keep attractions and it's amazing videos, ideas are using different pattern